Open houses are designed to sell you, not to show you everything. Hi, I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann. An open house is like a first date. It's all about impressions, but sometimes what looks perfect on the surface hides problems underneath. Today, I'll show you 5 red flags to watch for at an open house so you can stay focused, informed, and confident before you make an offer. Red flag number 1. Strong scents or fresh paint in key areas. Sellers know smells trigger emotion, so if a home is heavily scented or freshly painted, especially in the basement, bathroom, or kitchen, pause for a closer look. Those pleasant aromas or bright white walls might be covering water damage, mildew, or pet issues. Use your eyes and your nose. Check corners, ceilings, and baseboards. If something smells too perfect, ask why. Good staging attracts, overstaging distracts. Trust your senses. If the air seems fine, look down. The next clue is under your feet. Red flag number 2, uneven floors and sticky doors. Minor imperfections are normal, but uneven floors and doors that don't close smoothly can hint at foundation settling or structural problems. Walk slowly, feel for dips, and note any cracks above door frames or windows. If multiple spots seem off, get an inspector lined up before you bid. It's better to lose a weekend than a fortune. Cosmetic issues are fixable, structural ones are not. Now let's talk about something most buyers overlook because they're distracted by shiny finishes. Red flag number 3, quick flip renovations. Some investors do great work, others cut corners to sell fast. Signs of a rush flip include mismatched flooring transitions, sloppy paint lines, or brand new fixtures installed on outdated wiring or plumbing. If the renovation feels superficial, assume there's more to uncover. Ask for permits and contractor details. Legitimate work leaves a paper trail. If the renovation feels too new to be true, it might be. Let's head outside because the next red flag is waiting in plain sight. Red flag number 4, neglected exterior maintenance. Curb appeal matters, but it can also reveal neglect. Look at gutters, grating, and siding. Peeling paint, standing water, or missing caulking near windows could signal bigger moisture problems. In the Hudson Valley, freeze-thaw cycles make exterior upkeep critical. If the outside's been ignored, assume the inside systems have been too. The way a home ages on the outside tells you how it's been cared for inside. And finally, a red flag that doesn't live in the house at all. It's in the paperwork. Red flag number 5, sparse or vague disclosures. Sellers are required to disclose known issues. When that section feels empty or overly generic, it can be a sign of avoidance. Ask pointed questions. Any roof leaks, prior flooding, electrical updates, or pest treatments? Good sellers and honest agents have answers ready. Silence or defensiveness, that's your cue to investigate further. Transparency sells homes, evasion costs buyers. The best buyers aren't negative, they're observant. If you want a full breakdown of what to check for at your next showing, download my free open house inspection checklist below. And if you're shopping here in the Hudson Valley, I'll help you read between the lines so you buy with confidence. Subscribe for more local buyer insights every week.